If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, then here we can find the answer. We can even find it at the back of the box, actually. If we take a look over here, we can read that the recommended amount of watts that the power adapter should have is 35 watts. However, what is worth mentioning over here is that despite this information at the back of the box, on Apple's website we can read that the charger can actually use 40 watts as well in order to increase the charging speed. Over there we can read that we can charge up to 50% in 20 minutes with 40 watts adapter or charger, of course. So I'm not sure why there is two different information, different on the box and different on the website, but it is what it is. Now, in case you are wondering what type of brand you should get for the power adapter, actually for your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then the answer is quite clear. You should get Apple's power adapter, the original power adapter, and they will work simply the best. They will be the most optimized ones. They will provide probably the fastest charging capability. However, keep in mind that if you don't want to purchase the original power adapter, you can also use any other brand as well. Ideally, you still want to use a well-known brand such as Samsung, Motorola, Xiaomi, or something similar to that. But of course, I have to mention that still Apple will be the most optimized one. But if you think that Apple's power adapter is too expensive, then like I said, you can just get any other brand. And while purchasing a power adapter for your iPhone, in that case, if you decide to not go for Apple's power adapter, you need to take a look at the charging port. For example, I have Xiaomi's charger over here, and it has USB Type A port, which means that I also need to use a different USB cable than the one that is originally inside of the box, because inside the box we have USB-C on both ends, so it won't fit. But there are, of course, power adapters. I believe Samsung has USB-C adapters, so you should be able to get theirs, for example, if you want to. And so according to the Apple's website, you should get 40 watts or more, but if you have more, then it doesn't really change that much apparently. 40 seems to be the max. If you get more, then it's still fine, it still will charge, but it won't be any faster than a charger that has 40 watts. So you should probably look for a power adapter and that has 40 watts or maybe even more, and ideally from Apple, but if not, then of course any other well-known brand will do the work as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.